Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time, you're here, you're welcome. My name is Genevieve and on my channel you get skincare videos, beauty, lifestyle, fashion and almost everything, vlogs. In fact, I talk about everything. So yeah, if you are for everything, keep watching this video and subscribe to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be doing a full face with Wet n Wild products. So like most of the products I'll be using in today's video is going to be from Wet n Wild. And yeah, so if you want to know the kind of look I'm going to be creating in today's video, keep watching this video. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that. It is free, and share so your friends will do that as well. That's the only way I know that you guys love what I'm doing and you guys are supporting me. So yeah, let's get into this video without further delay. Okay guys, so I am sitting right in front of the window and this sun is hitting right on my face. I've applied a sunscreen before this video started, so I'll be going in for another round just because I know I'm sitting right in front of the window and the sun is too much and I don't want any problem. The sunscreen I'm using is from Real and they are on Instagram. You can check them on Instagram. And it's the mattifying sunscreen. It's good for under makeup, although it leaves a white cast on a dark skin. So if you have a dark skin, I think you should try their other type of sunscreen. But this one is mattifying and it is waterproof and sweat proof, so it's very good for makeup, under makeup. So yeah, that's why I'm using this one. And okay guys, so the primer I'll be using is from Wet n Wild. They are Wet n Wild Photo Focus face primer. It is in the matte, so this is going to give you a matte finish. If you're looking for a matte finish kind of look, you can go for this one. Yes. So for my brows, I got this Wet n Wild brow kit and it is having eyebrow and a wax, and I'll open it up to show you guys. So it comes in with a spoolie and a brush, an eyebrow brush and a small tweezer. So you could use this to like remove your hair. Like you can use it to remove your hair. And this one is to line your brows, and this is the eyebrow. This is brow. And I think you can use this one to draw and then this one to fill in, and then this is the wax. I don't know what this wax is used for, that's the truth, but this is the wax. And what the first thing I'll be using is this one to line my eyebrow. I'll be using this one. So this brush is a mini brush, it's too small. Okay, it's very pigmented guys, like I'm trying that for the first time. All right, oh my god, this is nice. Like this is really nice. This is really nice guys. So guys, I have lined your eyebrow, but the truth is that this brush is too small for someone to like hold and be drawing all of this stuff. But I think you can like change it up if you have this angled brush, eyebrow brush, so you can change it up with the big one. But yeah, the pigmentation is mad. It's mad. It's really nice. So yeah, you can go for this. This is so beautiful and it is travel friendly. It's so cute. So guys, in order for me to conceal my eyebrow, I'll be using the LA Girl as a substitute. I don't have the Wet n Wild concealer, and that's because I didn't get my shade in the range that's available on Nika. So I'll be using the Wet n Wild concealer to sculpt out my brows, and this one is in the shade Fawn. If you watch my video every time, you will know all the shade I'm using by now. So this is in the shade Fawn. And for the upper part of my eyebrow, I'll be using the Wet n Wild foundation. This is in the shade Mocha. Using a foundation or a darker shade of concealer to do your upper part of your eyebrow will give you a more natural look. So I'll be using this one. Okay. So what I'll be doing right now is to apply the remaining concealer on my eyelid, because I want to do my eye first. Like I want to apply the eyeshadow first before I go for my face. So for my eye look, I'll be doing like a smoky green eye look. Like I'll the outer part with a black shade, and I will be doing the inner corners with a green shade, so it's going to be like a smoky eye look. So guys, for my eyeshadow I'll be using this green. It is also from Wet n Wild, and I got this one and the brow kit as I said, so I got these two together. So this is a green shimmer eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow is so beautiful, guys. Like, I'll be using it. That's what I'll be using today for today's makeup look. I'll be using it, and yeah, let's see what we can create with this green. But then I don't have any Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, so I'll be using whatever I have to create whatever I can. So for the upper part of my eyebrow, I'll be using this Revolution palette, this shade here, to do this transitioning, whatever. Okay, this is good. So in order to like smoke the outer corners of my eyes out, I'll be using this Swiss Beauty pomade. This is the eyeliner pomade, but at the upper part of this place you have like a dark shade here, so I'll be using it to like smoke the outer part of my eye. Okay guys, so I'm blending. I've like smoked my eye out. I'm blending the dark shade in a little bit. I don't know if I should cut crease. I don't think I will need to cut my crease. Just you guys just watch and see. Let's be creative here. None of this video was planned anyway, so let's be creative. Okay guys, I got what I'm looking for. So guys, I'll be using this NYX eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow base to apply it right here, so that I'll fit in the green on my eyelid. So okay, so now that my face is highlighted right here, I will bring the green shade, apply right at the place where I have applied this eyeshadow base, so that the green is highlighted very well. So I'm placing the green from Wet n Wild, I'm placing it right on top of this place, right on top. Okay guys, so oh my god, my eyes look so beautiful. And yeah, I think we have it. We have what we're looking for. It's so beautiful. All right, so I will do this eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back. This eye is so beautiful. So I've done the other eye, and these eyes are popping, guys. Like, they are mad popping. So like the next now, within like the inner corners of my eye, I'll be putting this one. This is from LA Girls, so I'll be highlighting the inner corners of my eye. So guys, for my eyeliner, I thought I had eyeliner from Wet n Wild, but it seems like it's not here, so no problem. I'll be using the Swiss Beauty eyeliner. This one here, it's a pomade, and I'll be using this brush. Look at the brush here. I'll be using this brush and the eyeliner to the pomade. Look at it, to line my eye. This eyeliner right here and this one right here, they look like very messy right now, and I'll show you guys how you can always bring it back to life. So, and yeah, so I'll use a brush, this one here, and oh my god, this foundation. Okay, so it's like very advisable to do your eye makeup first before you go for your foundation, because of this kind of thing that happens when you are going for eyeliner, waterline, whatever. It's better to do the eye first. If there is any mistake, you can always clean it out with your concealer or your foundation. Okay guys, now that my eye is done, I'll be applying my foundation. So not to conceal this dark spot, you see this dark spot that I have here, I'll be using the LA Girl color corrector, and this color corrector helps me to conceal, to hide my dark spots. So I use it to, like, layer out before I go over with my foundation, and it has been really, really, really helpful. Okay, and I want to do fast before the sun goes down, because without the sun I cannot film a makeup video, because whenever I try to do, like, some stupid stuff really happens to the video lighting, and nothing is constant. Everything keeps switching and switching, and we don't want that. So for this video I'll be using the Wet n Wild foundation, and I'll just be like applying it on my face. Guys, God has been so faithful. Like, the sun is still right here. I don't want it to go out in my place. The Wet n Wild foundation is a complete matte foundation. I really like it, but the fact that it has this yellow effect to it, I don't like that. But it seems like it's really nice. It's really, really nice. Like, it covers up my dark spots really nicely. Like, I'll be going for the second round right here, just right here and here. Okay. Alright, my foundation is up right now, and I am loving it. So guys, I'll be spraying some setting spray. This is the Wet n Wild photo focus setting spray, and this is their natural finish. So concealer is the Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. So guys, I'll be leaving my face to stay for some time, like 30 seconds enough, and then we'll blend it out. Okay guys, I'm going to, like, bring straight down. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay guys, now that I have finished blending the concealer, I'll be setting it, and I'll be using the European Cosmetic setting contour palette, and this is the setting powder here. I'll be using it to, like, set this face so that we don't get anything like creasing or smudging or whatever on this makeup. So also, in order to, like, contour my face, I'll be using this contour palette, and I'm using this shade right here, and yeah. I don't know, but I hope you guys can see what I'm doing, guys. I hope you can see. So for a reverse contouring, I forgot to do that. I will be doing it with a beauty blender. So for blush, I'll be using the Revolution palette, and this Revolution palette, I'll be using this one here, and I'm using this big fluffy face brush to blush. This is it. So for me to contour my nose, I'll use a smaller brush, and I'll be using the same shade. So I'll be, like, buffing out the powder off my face. Alright guys, so it seems like I've lost the sun, but yeah, it's still cool. I think this whole thing is going to come out really nice, and, like, I think I haven't, like, done any face makeup that's so cool as this one. This one is so cool, and it's all thanks to the foundation, it's all thanks to the primer, it's all thanks to everything that I've used on my face right now. So guys, in order to make sure that everything is locked in, all my makeup is all locked in, I'll be setting my face right once again, and yeah. I'll be using the Master Chrome highlighter, and let's move some. probably highlight my nose. Okay guys, so now that the whole face is done, it's just remaining the lashes, so I'll be going off camera to fix my falsies and then I'll be right back, so please don't touch that. So guys, I fixed my lashes and this is a close up of the whole face look. Like god, this look is mad guys. Like, can you imagine, like, can you see the coverage, the glow, everything? Like, oh my god. So yeah guys, so this look is so good. Like, I don't know about this camera, but I know about the mirror I'm looking at. The mirror I'm looking at is telling me that I am looking stunning, I'm looking gorgeous. That's the word guys, I look gorgeous. That's what the mirror is telling me. So the benefit of this video, or the go to this video, is that it's telling that you can use Wet n Wild products. They are like affordable, like very affordable. Can you imagine? The foundation is 300 rupees, and meanwhile you can get other foundations at 500, 1000, 2000, 3000, but this foundation is 300 rupees. Just that they don't have a lot of shades in that foundation, so it's something that some people may not be able to get their shade in it. But then yeah, you can try their foundation. Their foundation is good. Their concealer, I think, is like 150, 200 rupees. The concealer is affordable. Then this brow pomade, guys, I'm not joking, make sure you get the brow pomade, because can you imagine, like, my brow has not been laid like this in the longest time. And then this green eyeshadow, oh no, I think I'm going to actually try their eyeshadow palette once, because I feel like this is insane, this is mad. So yeah, like, if you want to, you know, get these things that I use in this video, you can actually get them on Myntra or on Nykaa. Myntra mostly do have like a lot of sales, so you can actually get it on Myntra at a very affordable rate. But then Nykaa, you see it, but Nykaa is expensive. I don't know why they make it so expensive, but that's what it is. So if you don't see it available on Myntra, you can always get it on Nykaa. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys like the whole look. I really love it. It's simple and it's classy and it's stunning, so I love it. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and when you do that, make sure to turn your notification bells on so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, so you can follow me on Instagram at Genevieve Jenny Cruz. That is Genevieve_Jenny Cruz, and you can always chat me up, ask me for recommendations, and I'll be happy to help you out. So yeah, see you guys on my next one. Bye, stay safe. Because you were mine.